Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Number 1 reason Jeeps are so expensive. Wranglers are purpose-built vehicles and they do not share a platform with any other vehicle. Toyotas, Fords, Chevys etc. often share their parts and frames with other vehicles. The number 2 reason Jeep Wranglers are so expensive is because of demand.
Let's help you make your mark.
Jeep Wranglers are dang good in snow and icy roads. The feature enables them to drive through snow and even push through deep snow. Besides that, the 4-wheel drive helps to create power for pushing through deep snow and also adds extra traction force. 30 December 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The Jeep Wrangler reliability rating is 3.5 out of 5.0, which ranks it 25th out of 26 for compact SUVs. The average annual repair cost is $694, which means it has average ownership costs. While repairs tend to be more severe than average, the number of those issues is low, so major repairs are uncommon for the Wrangler.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.